Everyone, I welcome you again to an interesting DIY video. Let's see what are we gonna do now. You have to take the piece of paper and then on it you have to make the lines look like. Again, let's see, this cactus is gonna be ready and looking super amazing. You have to paste the window sheets like this, and with the help of clay make the small circular balls and paste all over it and make the beautiful lovely flower in this manner. Paste on the top of it to give it a beautiful lovely look, and on the bottom you have to paste the thicklets in this way. Isn't it looking amazing and pretty? Now it will give your drawing a beautiful lovely look. Now make the ants look like this and you can further decorate it. Now on the circular sheet you have to make a scenery look like this. Make a tree branches and on the top of it you have to paste the clays, small, big, medium size. You have to make it look like this and then give the impressions in this manner. Now let's see what are we gonna do. Make the beetle, and here it is climbing on the top of the tree, and just you have to paste the clouds and it is gonna look super amazing. Now let's see what are we gonna do now. You have to make the clay look like this and just spread it further. Again you have to paste the leaves look like this and make the imprints, the small imprints with the help of clay. Isn't it amazing? Luscious. It is looking luscious. Make a basket over it. Now take the dry leaves like this and let's see what are we gonna do. Cut it in this manner. Give a beautiful lovely neat and natty shape in this way. And yes, you can imagine what are we gonna make now. With the help of black marker you can just decorate it further, and let's see what are we gonna make. Yes, your cat is ready. Again you can decorate it further. Now let's see what are we gonna make now. You have to take the spirals look like this, and yes, your rainbow is ready. Just decorate it further. Again take the beautiful lovely clay and then spread it further with the help of clay and then give the imprints in this manner. Just roll the clay in this way and it is gonna be look super amazing. Let's see what are we gonna do now. Again with the help of clay paste it look like this and your pouches are ready. Now let's see, make a pot look like this, a beautiful lovely traditional looking pot, and on it you have to paste the leaves look like this. Now take the clay part and let's see what are we gonna do with the help of clay. Let's see what are we gonna do now. Yes, with the help of clay, let's see what are we going to do. You have to paste the clay all over it, and yes, it is going to look super amazing. Make these beautiful lovely flowers and with the help of black marker join them further. Isn't it looking a beautiful lovely drawing? You are definitely gonna enjoy. Make the spirals and then make the beautiful lovely looking creature in this way. Now take these accessories and just paste it all over it. Again with the help of paper you have to make the Japanese looking fan, and this fish is ready to go. Isn't it looking? It is giving an amazing beautiful look. Let's see, on a beautiful circular sheet you have to make the branches and thicklets in this manner, and with the help of this you have to just make the cutout. Take the scraps of paper in this pattern and let's see what are we going to do in the end. You have to just color them further and paste it look like this over it. Again you have to take the leaf part and let's see, cut it further and let's see what are we gonna do now. You have to just fold it further and give it a look like this, and yes, you can imagine what are we gonna make. Just take the cuttings in this manner, the cutouts of a leaf shape. With the help of clay what you have to do, you have to just press them further and make small lovely dots. You have to paste all over it like this and keep on pressing it further and just fill it like this, and yes, your pawn is ready. Your image is ready. Isn't it super amazing? Now let's see, make the fold like this on the paper and let's see what are we going to do now. You just have to take the thick leaves and then you have to paste it further. Paste the leaves looking like this. Isn't it looking super amazing and lovely? Keep on proceeding further and your drawing is ready to go. Thank you so much for watching the video.